Hello everyone, today let's introduce the centerless diamond grinding wheel. Centerless diamond grinding wheel are mainly used for carbide bars, PDC cutter, tungsten carbide, magnetic material, stainless steel bar, PCD and PCB composites. It has the advantages of high roundness, good surface finish, superior grinding action, bug removing of materials, competitive price, and long life. We can customize different sizes according to customers' requirements, making the diameter from 200 to 600 millimeters. Thanks for watching. If you want more product information, please contact us.